Olabs is a platform jointly developed by the Ministry of Electronics and Communications, CDAC and Amrita University, and it aims to provide remote access to laboratories in various disciplines of science and mathematics for the students.
This is a new concept, this is a new thing to us, that the science experiment can also be conducted virtually.
It's a wonderful initiative that we are all associated with, and it is our privilege to be associated with this program, and I am sure each one of you is going to be benefited during this COVID times to take the technology for the benefit of the Navodaya students.
I am experiencing this virtual lab experiment for the first time, and I think it is great beginning. It is great beginning of if our teachers ethically join this arena, then certainly we can fill the gap which COVID-19 has created, and students will be benefited a lot.
It was really a very fine session. I was all the time was looking into this, all the practicals they were demonstrating, and really it was as good as the practicals we do in the labs. So really this was very good, and this will be very beneficial for our teachers as well as for our students also.
It is very well developed, and I was just discussing that why can't we have a virtual laboratory system, sir? Then I was told that it has already been developed by Olabs, and Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham has taken the lead in this direction, and it is a very good concept. By and large, as per the curriculums, if all the experiments are there, and this is the best things which we can do in the COVID times. Even in after the COVID also, these experiments, virtual laboratories will be very helpful, because the kind of the laboratory infrastructures may not be available, and even in the off times when the children can review about this laboratories, they can do the experiments also before their final examinations of the practicals. And the way all the components of the virtual laboratory, it is almost like we had an understanding of the experiment also. We can do the experiments, we can give the questions also. It is very well developed. I think this is a very good initiative by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham.
This is the wonderful opportunity where all our teachers of PGTs as well as CGTs will be exposed how to conduct this practicals through Olabs. This in fact Amrita University always believes that education is life and education is for living. So they have developed a wonderful software, and these lab activities will take the children to the exact natural settings, and within a short span of time the child will be exposed to various kinds of practicals, and the facility is there that the student will be able to repeat the experiments again and again.
Let us learn together. You are the experts, we are going to learn, and I urge upon our participants, teachers, who are the leading persons, to bring the students back just like the normal classes.
Because of Amrita, we are able to bring our teachers to a wonderful platform where they are exposed how to conduct this lab experiments.
Thank you very much, and thanks to all the functionaries of Amrita University for blessing us with such great ideas of lab culture.